will study about the flight adaptations in birds. Flight in bird is one of the most complex form of locomotion in an animal kingdom. Flight in birds include hovering, taking off and landing, which involve many complex movements. As different bird species have adapted to specific environments and other basic needs, they have developed different form of wings and varied form of flight. यानी बर्ड्स के अकॉर्डिंग जो विंग्स है वो डिफरेंट होते हैं और फ्लाइट एडेप्टेशन भी डिफरेंट होता है. Any alteration in the structure or function of an animal or any of its part that result from natural selection and by which the organism become better fitted to survive and multiply in its environment is called as adaptation. For flight, the body of birds has been well adapted both morphologically and anatomically. Morphological adaptation include the body contour. Here the spindle-shaped body to ensure least wind resistance. High position of light organ like lung, air sac and low position of heavy muscles, sternum, digestive system etc. Low center of gravity in the body. यानी जो लाइट ऑर्गन होंगे वो ऊपर रहेंगे और जो हेवी है वो नीचे रहेंगे बॉडी में. Then morphological adaptation, presence of feather makes the body streamline and reduce the friction to the minimum. Very light hardly adds weight to the birds. Feather weight में बहुत light होते हैं. So as a blanket enveloping air around the body and adds buoyancy. Feather of wing increase the surface area for striking the air. Morphological adaptation include the forelimb modified into wing. Forelimb of birds become modified into unique and powerful propelling organ called as the wing, which propel the body high up in the air. Mobile neck and beak. Mobile neck and beak enables the bird for feeding, nest building, offense, defense and preening etc. Bipedal locomotion. The hind limb can support the body weight and act as a locomotory organ on the ground. Perching. The muscles are strongly developed and modified so that when a bird sits in a perch, the toys automatically grip the perch. Perching means while resting, the birds sitting on something. This process is called as the perch. Short tail and tail feathers. Short tail and tail feathers can serve as a rudder, means guide during the flight and assist in steering, lifting and counterbalancing of the body during flight. Anatomical modification include the endoskeleton, light and provide large surface for attachment of muscles. Bones are pneumatic filled with air spaces and air sac. Skeletal framework is compact, centralized and relatively rigid due to fusion of bones. Anatomical modification include muscles on the back are much reduced and flight muscle on the breast are strongly developed. So you can clearly see in this diagram. Anatomical modification include digestive organ. Digestive system is efficient with reduced rectum. Rectum absent होता है. In bird, the undigested food is never stored because it would create extra burden of feces. Circulatory system. Heart is large in size, efficient to keep completely separate the pure and impure blood. Wings. The shape of bird's wing is important for producing lift. The increased speed over a curve, large wing area creates a longer path of air. This means the air is moving more quickly over the top surface of the wing and reducing air pressure on the top of the wing and creating lift. The angle of the wing deflects air downwards, causing a reaction force in the opposite direction and creating lift. Basic mechanism of lift. The fundamentals of bird flight are similar to those of aircraft. Lift force is produced by the action of airflow on the wing, which is an airfoil. The lift force occurs because the air has a lower pressure just above the wing and high pressure below. Gliding. The basic mechanism of flight. When a bird is gliding, it does not have to do any work. The wings are held out to the side of the body and do not flap. As the wings move through the air, they are held at the slight angle, which deflect the air downwards and causes a reaction in the opposite direction, which is lift. But there is also drag on the bird's body, so every now and then the bird has to tilt forward and go into a slight dive so that it can maintain a forward speed. Flapping. When a bird flaps, its wing continue to develop a lift, but the lift is rotated forward to provide thrust and counteract the drag and increase its speed. Flapping involves two stages, the downstroke, which provide the majority of the thrust, and the upstroke, which can also provide some thrust. Basic mechanism of flight. Apart from it, there are three drag forces that resist a bird in flight. Friction drag is caused by the friction of air and the body surface. Form drag is due to the frontal area of the bird and is also known as pressure drag. Lip-induced drag is due to the wing tip. Mechanism of flight. During flight, the wing become unfolded, stretch and raise vertically upward. This then move downward and forward and finally upward and backward. Downstroke is achieved by the action of pectoralis minor so that the wing is lowered down. The wing is raised by the contraction of pectoralis minor and other muscles. During downstroke, the wing is thrust downward like an oar. It's moved forward and vertically upward with little air resistance for the next powerful downstroke. The body moves forward in upstroke. Perching mechanism. Perching is actually maintaining a typical posture by the birds while taking rest on a support. The muscle involved in perching are situated in the thigh and calf of the bird's leg. The tendons of the perching muscle in birds are extended up to the 4 digit in the hind limb. They flex the 4 digit of birds in the hind limb around a support. So in this diagram you can see some the flexor muscle and tendon of legs which involve in perching mechanism. Perching mechanism of bird. Perching mechanism. The perching muscle of birds are modified in such way that the toes can flex around a twig when the birds sit on it. When the birds sit on the support, the legs are bent and put the flexor tendon on stretch, which results in spontaneous bending of the toes around the perch. When the bird is still sitting on a perch and the legs are in the same bent position, the extensor muscle in the legs remain inactive to keep the claws locked around the perch. So the bird can even go for a sleep without the fear of falling. To unlock the claws of the feet, birds have to raise its body for the perching position, and after the body is raised to straight posture, the birds get ready for a flight again. Thank you.